This thing is an absolute beast. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Roborock F25 Ultra. Just to give you a quick look over of it. So up here you got the handle, you got 3 different buttons, one to change the modes, one to turn on the power, and one to initiate the self-cleaning. And what's pretty cool is down here, whenever you put it back on the base station is going to be right there. It will initiate cleaning if you were just using it.
Started. Please start self-cleaning.
As you can see, and in order for me to start the self-cleaning, I would press this button. It would then clean the little roller mop, and then after that it air dries with heat to keep the mop from being all wet and stinky. Checking out the different compartments, we got the dirty water tank right here, and then this also opens up if you have any trash or anything, it'll be here. And then down here on the bottom of the vacuum, you have the water tank right here. So you put the water in on this side, and then you have the solution that comes in on this side. I would say this vacuum is going to be predominantly geared towards hardwood floors. While it does work on carpets, it's going to be predominantly geared towards hardwood floors. It has absolutely incredible steam cleaning. It heats up to 302 degrees and steam cleans the floors. It also has hot water cleaning, which the water will be heated up to about 182 degrees. When you're using it to clean, the light that comes on is incredibly helpful for when it comes to seeing dirt and dust. It has a 180 degree lay flat design, so it lays completely flat. And not to mention, when you're pushing it, it also kind of feels as if it's kind of self-propelled. It has really powerful suction. You don't have to worry about tangles, and it sports up to 60 minutes of runtime. It also has a smart monitoring sensor that integrates very well with the app. So if you're looking at getting a kind of wet, dry kind of vacuum, hey, consider checking this one out.